honest, integrity, and good standing. FSPs, key individuals and representatives, cannot be appointed if there is evidence that they do not have honest, integrity, and good standing. The general dictionary definition of honest, integrity, and good standing can be used. To be honest is not to lie, cheat, or steal. Integrity suggests that words and deeds are consistent, that promises and kept and truth are told. Good standing means well regarded, with no adverse findings or pending cases against a person. The FSP has the same responsibility as the authority when it acts to establish the honest, integrity, and good standing of its key individuals and the representatives. Information can be gathered from any appropriate sources to determine if the FSP, key individual, or representative complies with honest, integrity, and good standing. Disqualifying criteria. A person does not qualify for honest, integrity, and good standing if he has been found guilty in any criminal proceedings or liable in any civil proceedings by the court under any law in any jurisdiction. He has been suspended, dismissed, or disqualified from acting as a director, managing executive, public officer, auditor, or statutory actuary under any law. He has been refused a registration, approval, authorization, or license to carry out a trade, business, or profession, or has had that registration, approval, authorization, or license suspended, revoked, or withdrawn, or terminated by the regulatory authorities. Has been disciplined, reprimanded, disqualified, or removed in relation to matters relating to honest, integrity, incompetence, or business conduct by a professional body, regulatory authority. Has knowingly been untruthful or provided false or misleading information, or been uncooperative in any dealings with the commissioner or regulatory authority. Have been found to be not fit and proper by the commissioner or regulatory authority in any provisions assessment of fit and proper, and the reasons of being found not fit and proper have not been remediated. He has failed to disclose information required to be disclosed in terms of the Act. He or she is or was involved in business that he has been placed under liquidation or rescue as a director, trustee, member, partner, controlling shareholder, managing executive, or is concerned in the management. He has been removed from an office of trust for theft, fraud, forgery, uttering a forged document, misrepresentation, dishonest, breach of business or breach of business conduct. He has accepted civil liability for or has been the subject of a civil judgment in respect of theft, fraud, forgery, uttering a forged document, or any product involving dishonesty, breach of judiciary duty. Determination of honest, integrity, and good standing. The commissioner must, in assessing whether a person meets the requirements, have due regard to the seriousness of a person's conduct, whether be commission or omission or behavior, and or surrounding circumstances to that conduct or behavior that has or could potentially have a negative impact on a person's compliance. The relevance of such conduct or behavior that has or could potentially have a negative impact on the person's compliance to the duties that are or are to be performed and the responsibilities that are or to be assumed by the person. The passage of time since the occurrence of that conduct or behavior that had a negative impact on the person's compliance. Disclosure of information relating to honest integrity and good standing. The FSP, the key individual, must disclose to the registrar or the authority. A representative must disclose to its FSP. Disclosure must be done promptly and on own initiative, must be done fully and accurately, must disclose all information.